beautiful friends.
I would like to introduce you to Christian Grey.
Oh, no. We started this book club to stimulate our minds.
From what I hear, this book is quite stimulating.
Oh, wow.
Whoa, what's that? That's not mine. I've never seen that book before, honestly.
This is nasty.
Have you ever been spanked?
What?
This book has got me in a total tizzy.
Give me the zip ties.
Are you thinking about tying me up?
What?
Nothing, is just...
If women our age were meant to have sex, God wouldn't do what he does to our bodies.
Speak for yourself.
Well, that was not God. That was Dr. Nazarian.
You just need to put yourself out there.
Judge Myers?
Yes.
Rev up your love life with these tips.
Do you need anything else, Your
A
Honor?
man of your dreams is just a click away.
No, I don't. I'm fine. Thank you.
Yep.
Slim?
Arthur Riley.
What's it been, 40 years?
Since when do you eat ice cream?
God, I got a brain freeze.
Here, give that to a professional.
Oh, my God. It's a first date, so put on something sexy.
Just be comfortable. That's too comfortable.
Right.
Well, hey, you.
I love a man who brings flowers.
Everybody remembers their first kiss.
How about I tell you about my best kiss?
Maybe that hasn't happened yet.
I never thought I'd be back here again.
Is it as good as you remember?
Maybe better.
I'll give a little bit. I'll give a little bit of me your love.
Mom, you need to be a little bit realistic.
There's a man out there who makes me feel things that I didn't think were still possible.
You are better at this than you think.
Maybe things with us will go bust, but that's life. And I'm not through living mine just yet.
I'll give a little bit.
I can't believe you put Viagra in my beer.
Sir, I'm gonna need you to step out of the vehicle.
I don't think that's a good idea, officer.
Okay, enjoy your night. You too.
Thank you.